another vlog. Today is gonna be so exciting because we are taking Arshia out after a couple of months for ear piercing. So I'm very excited for that. How about you guys? Are you excited?
I think we are very nervous.
Why? आपकी piercing तो नहीं हो रही है?
Whenever जब भी किसी बच्चे की piercing की बात होती है ना, fathers were always like रहने दो थोड़ा और रुक जाओ, and mothers like नहीं अभी करा लेते. That's why I was like, I'm nervous with you.
In short story, they have no other option. They have to come with me. Come on, guys, let's go.
Richie, let's go.
Yeah, diaper bag pakdo. I always wanted her to wear a small skirt during her birthday party, and with her, what happened? The very next day of her birthday, she lost one of the earrings, which make us go back to jeweler.
I told her, you know what? For the kids like this, she keep rubbing her ears. You know, बच्चों के साथ ये होता है, they keep rubbing their ears like this. That's what she did.
So, we went back to jeweler, we got that piercing done again, and after a week, she lost another one.
Do you think she will be distracted with Coco?
Completely. Oh, she need Coco. Where are you heading out, miss? We prefer to come here because they are specialized in kids piercing, and I prefer them over Claire's just because everyone who is working out there is certified. They know very well, and their equipments are well sanitized to be used for the kid. Earrings that we have chosen is $74 plus taxes. Are you ready for ear piercing? Hi. Which one you like?
Show me.
Yay! So we are done. Look how beautiful she looks. So we got her piercing done, but once she grown up and she don't want to wear it, which is of course not gonna happen, but it's absolutely up to her at that time. For now, she's in mama's control and she will get dressed up accordingly how mama likes it. So for us, Cocomelon this time was not a big help. Her reflex is so strong. I needed to hold her so tight. So, but anyhow, the thing goes well. What we did, we replaced her original with the new one. And then we got this little lotion that I have to use on her for around 2 months daily. We'll see how it goes. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it too.
We'll sit for Arshia. That's such a nice set. Arshia, do you like it? And that too just for $7. What a steal. Hey guys, look whom we found. We met our first subscriber. You know, it was so happy to see you. Like, you guys recognize her with mask on.
Yeah, it is actually. That was her first, I think.
Oh, actually, she's a star then.
And she's a benchmark for us too, like growing up. I keep telling you, she is of closer age. Like most importantly, you both have inspired both of us in taking, you know, the first step of look out for the options of buying home. So we are like, you guys truly inspired us by giving us the details of little things that we should be considering while looking at while buying a house. It's a great help. I just wanted to let you know, guys.
How are you feeling?
I can't tell you right now. I need to show my emotions. I can't tell how happy I am that, you know, something that we are doing, the community that we are building is actually helping someone. Our experience are actually helping someone stranger whom we have never met, whom we have never known, but we are connected to them. So thank you people. I really want to tell each one of you who is watching us that we might have never met in person, may or may not, but you guys are very close to us. So just like what Punya did, if you ever see us roaming around, please stop us and say, hey, nice to meet you.
So bus, the day is almost over. We are very tired. I think we're gonna pick up a Mexican food you're talking about.
Yes, on the way back. So there is this awesome place in Gulf which make yummiest burritos ever. If you are in Gulf, you should definitely try it.
So guys, we are in downtown Gulf, amazing city, small city, and then this is a nice square for all the patio. Good thing is that they stop the traffic here, so you see all the patios for the bars here. People are still sitting outside, weather is not too bad. I think good time. And there's, you see a big church there. That's a Norfolk Church, very popular church in Gulf. Come here, whenever you come here, don't forget to visit that and try a beer in one of these places here. They have amazing beer here. Let's go, guys.
She's enjoying that too. So we are heading out to celebrate Ashia's ear piercing. Hey na, Ashi? Are you going to treat us?
Mine was just look more yummy. Look at this thing. All cheese. So guys, ये हमारा हो रहा है post party dance at home.
Guys, this may not be a big deal for other people, but for us, getting her ear piercing done is one of the biggest milestone we have achieved together, and we are creating this memory for Arsha. I'm pretty sure down the line, well, she's gonna see this video after so many years, and she's gonna completely enjoy.
I'm pretty sure आप लोगों की भी कोई story होगी when you actually went for piercing for your daughter or your son, right? Do let us know in the comments below that how did you manage it? Did your kid cried a lot like Arsha did, or was it like a very easy process? Do let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear what was your experience. Thank you so much for watching this video and being a part of our journey.
मोरनी बनके तेरी ओर